Dear students, welcome to the English class. This is Dipankar Kumar Sarkar before you. Assistant teacher Lata Kumar Bhatti, High School, Dumuria, Khulna. How are you students? I hope you are well and hearty by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Today I shall discuss a very important topic. So, the students, take your writing materials. Today's topic's name is Begum Rokeya. Do you know about Begum Rokeya? I know that she was a great woman who fought for the freedom of women. Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and social worker. She was born in a village called Pairavam, Rangpur in 1880. She was married in 1896. She came from a rich family. So, dear students, open your book at page number 45. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to ask and answer questions. Read and understand. Text. Write a short paragraph. And composition. Talk about the people. Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. Dear students, famous means well known. Well known. Century means a period of 100 years. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the societies. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairabang, Rangpur in 1880. Her father Zairuddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Sabir was an educated landlord. Dear students, landlord means owner of vast property. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Shaukat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. State means part of a country. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. Cooperative means willing to help. Willing to help. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learnt Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. She learnt Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. Dear students, we shall take the correct answer. Number 1. Begum Rokeya fought for option A, democracy, option B, independence, option C, women's right. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, women's rights. Number 2. Rokeya was born in option A village, option B, a town, option C, a slum. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is a village. Number 3. Bhagalpur is a district in Bhagalpur is a district district in Bangladesh. Bhagalpur is a district in option A Bangladesh, option B West Bengal, option C Bihar. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C Bihar. Dear student, I know that you understand this lesson easily. Thank you all. In the time of corona, you stay at home and abide by the hygiene.